Assalamu alaikum. Maybe we are live right now. I don't know. Uh, so I have to check first, then start on this session. So actually, OBS is taking a lot of my CPU usage, which is almost like near to 50%. Uh, so we also have a stream broadcasting. This is called bitrate. Yeah. So we do have that problem as well. But life is full of problems. You can't get out of it. You just have to adopt the things and keep going. So just having this conversation so that we get to know what this is all about. This is a 6 hour straight session which is going to be ending at 9 p.m. and yep. So it's a long session. We will be covering all those things before exception handling, or maybe exception handling will be there. So we get to know what this is all about. This is a 6 hour straight session. So I've checked and my stream is going good. Now coming to the point, our timer goes here. Now I will be going to our OOP folder, which to contain all of the assignments that were given to all of us. So third semester OOP, here it is. Now this is assignment 3. So I do have a question here, which involves all the concepts of getter setters. There's a question: create a class distance with two constructors. So basically, this question is uh, is summed up to all the concepts that were taught before the lab mid final, which are the constructors, which were the stating methods, getter setters, adding two object distance objects, and returning the added distance object, all those returning classes and all those things. So all the concepts, whether it's taking input from the users, and here it is a there's a method which asks which tells us to whether the distance is which one with the added distance, and one when the user inputs the distance are equal or not. So this is all summed up. So we are going to start from here. So as I have done this before, I'm not going to do this again. Okay. um, I will give this question to ChatGPT in Java. Make another question like this. Concepts used in. Okay. In Java, make another question like this, as I have practiced this one before, and is looking for another question from you with same concepts used in the above question. So as I have told you, my bitrate, my internet speed is being used by OBS, so it's kind of slow. So you have to sort of go with it, go with the flow. Sure, this is another and utilizable. So our timer is on. Now we are turning this one on, going out with a straight session. So we do have a data members length, create a class rectangle here, the first general similar concepts. No element to 0. Okay, stake two arguments length and width. And nationalizes the respective data members. Okay. Methods, set and get methods for length and width. Display method that prints the length and width of the rectangle. A method called calculate area that calculates and returns the area of the rectangle. So it's basically similar to it. Okay, this one looks interesting to me. If I'm gonna open NetBeans, I do think so that my computer is going to blow off. Man, this thing is pretty CPU consuming thing, man. Turning this on with OBS and Chrome. Chrome is another RAM junk, man. It's gonna pop up all the memory. So we're gonna make a. So we're gonna start. We're gonna start off, and we'll be very much taking into account the time, because it's very important. Create a class rectangle. So basically we are making a class rectangle with following special. Okay, so I'm gonna make the main first, Java with Maven. So I'm gonna say that it is final lab 1. Okay, this is our main. Basically this is our project. Okay, this is our main, and then we are gonna make a class rectangle with the volume special. Okay, so slow, control plus n lab1, which is our project, make another class. Why is it so slow, man? I do think so I have wrote the spellings wrong. Plus where is the main? Yo, man, why is it kind of too slow? What could I do? What's it? Oh, I have to close it. Another thing I have to close. So I want to make a new project. What the hell is this? No, man. Final lab prep. Why I always go with the spellings wrong? I don't know. So now we're gonna be starting out. So we do have two data members.